President Obama has plans to get rid of the conscience clause, and that has many healthcare professionals extremely worried. What is it? Reporter's Paul Strand is going to tell us.
This is the last day for the public to weigh in on whether it backs the Obama administration's decision to wipe out the conscience clause. That's the regulation the Bush administration came up with to protect pro-life medical professionals because so many have been facing discrimination. At the forefront of the battle to save the clause is Dr. David Stevens, head of the Christian Medical Association. He told CBN News the discrimination is very real.
We're having report after report from medical students not able to get into school because they'll ask them questions. What would you do if you had a 14-year-old who came in and was pregnant? How would you handle that in their admission interview? And if you don't offer abortion as an option, you don't get in.
Dozens of medical professionals showed up at this Washington news conference to say they're afraid they'll be run out of the medical field or have to quit.
If I am faced with the choice between losing my job or being forced to perform an abortion, I will leave the practice of medicine. And I have to wonder, if we are chased out of medicine, who will step into the gap?
1 out of 4 Christian Medical Association members say they've already faced discrimination. 2 out of 5 say they've already been pressured to violate their conscience. By stripping away the conscience clause, Stevens says the Obama administration is sending this message.
Discriminate against them all you want, because we're not going to prosecute you.
Dr. John Bruchalski heads up a pro-life OB/GYN medical practice.
Respecting the right of conscience is the basis for all our freedoms. Conscience tells us what we ought to do. If conscience is compromised, freedom becomes a facade, a farce.
And these doctors say this isn't just about abortion.
It's much bigger than that. Just look what's on the horizon. Physician-assisted suicides, legal in 3 states. In Montana, where they legalized it in November, there's absolutely no protection for healthcare professionals to say, I don't want to do this. And so somebody could sue you for not providing the help in them killing themselves.
Paul Strand, CBN News, Washington.
Thanks, Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a horrible thing, that we would force a doctor to perform an abortion, that we would force a doctor to assist in suicide. You know, the Hippocratic Oath, basically is first do no harm, and the oath is that they should preserve life, not destroy it. It goes against the grain of every healthcare provider. Since when is our doctor going to be the angel of death instead of a giver of life? This is a terrible thing. The Obama administration just kind of pushed it through. Well, this is the last day for public comment on this issue. So if you want to let the White House know what you think, go to our website at cbn.com and let your opinion be known. We want to notify the White House about, there should be an overwhelming groundswell of opposition to this initiative of the Obama administration to force doctors to perform medical procedures against their conscience.